Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with a new recipe, Varutharcha Nadan Kerala Kadala curry. It's too tasty and it's different from the regular chickpeas curry. Kadala curry is a tasty and special dish of Kerala, especially had for breakfast along with steamed rice cakes called puttu. It can also be had with paratha, idli. To begin this recipe, you need 1 cup of grated coconut. Here I have taken half of 1 big coconut, 7 shallots, that's small onions, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric half teaspoon, chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, 2 big tomatoes, 1 onion sliced, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, salt 1.5 tablespoon, jeera half teaspoon, mustard seeds half teaspoon, 2 dried red chilies and few curry leaves, handful of coriander leaves, 2 cups of soaked black chana dal. For this curry, black chana dal gives the best taste, coconut oil and water. To begin this curry, you first have to add in the chickpeas that have been soaked for at least 8 hours. Add in the chopped tomatoes, 1 onion sliced, ginger garlic paste, salt 1.5 teaspoon, finally water. Cook for 5 to 6 whistles. Now we are gonna roast some ingredients. For that you have to heat a pan, add in coconut oil 1 tablespoon, then the grated coconut, saute in low flame. Add in 2 small onions chopped into pieces. Add in 5 to 6 curry leaves. Roast it in low flame till it turns golden brown color. You need little patience to do this. All it takes is just 7 to 8 minutes. But this step adds on delicious taste to your curry. So add in the ingredients gradually and roast them. Finally, add in the masala powders. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel powder along with the masalas and keep sauteing them for 1 minute and switch off the flame. Keep it aside and let it cool. Now heat up a clay pot. Add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then add in the mustard seeds, then jeera, then 2 dried chilies and few curry leaves. Now chop the remaining small onions left and add them. Saute that for a minute and let it turn golden brown. Now the roasted mixture is cooled and we are gonna grind it by adding little water to it to fine paste. I'm adding 1 cup of water and grinding it to fine paste. Now pour in the roasted mixture and let that boil for 5 minutes. the channa is cooked, take a ladle of cooked channa and grind it to paste. Then add the cooked kadala along with the water. And let that boil. Now pour in the paste of the cooked channa. Boil the whole curry till it reaches the medium consistency. It becomes more thick when cooled down, so do not make the gravy too thick. Now add a handful of coriander leaves and switch off the flame. In this gravy, the channa and the masalas are blended really well, and you get the lovely aroma of the roasted coconut in the gravy. It's a delicious recipe to have in breakfast. It's a great combination when having puttu with kadala curry along with applam. It's heaven in taste. Do try it out and give me your comments. Stay tuned for more videos.